आता खबरो विस्तारान. म्हादयच्या घोळाविशीं उदकास्रोत मंत्री फिलिप नेरी रॉड्रिगीज पत्रकारां कडेन उलयले. आपूण एजी कडेन उलयलां आनी हें प्रकरण ट्रिब्युनला कडेन आसा. कर्नाटक सरकाराक हें सोंपें जावचें ना, कारण केंद्रीय मंत्री जावडेकर हांणी दिल्ल्या पत्राक न्याय दरबारांत कांयच वजन ना जो मेरेन उच्च न्यायालय ह्या विशीं निवाडो दिना. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान संजय मनोली.
Is to clarify as regards to the fresh letter, the new letter from the Ministry of Environment to Mr. Basavaraj Bommai. He has written here, he is referring the letter of Mr. Bommai of 19 December, clarifying as regards to the letter which is kept in evidence, dated 18 December. So both the letters we have went through in detail, the word to word. I have taken opinion of the Advocate General, opinion of the legal advisor who is Chetan Pandit, who is advising us in this Madhya dispute, and it is found that the clarification given to Mr. Bommai also clear our apprehension of people of Goa that this water cannot be diverted just like that by way of writing letters or through the correspondence. First of all, they have stated in their earlier letter, which is very clear, the matter is before the Supreme Court. The tribunal award has to be notified. Unless and until it is notified, they cannot seek the permission. And to notify the award of the tribunal, they need to wait for the Supreme Court order. Supreme Court has to decide about the petition filed by all three states. There are interim orders also. So unless and until the Supreme Court disposes our petitions, they cannot even notify the tribunal award. So in this situation, it is not that easy for Karnataka to seek permission from the Ministry of Environment, from the Wildlife Board. So they need to wait for the judgment by the Supreme Court. So there is no need to get panicky. There is no need to get apprehensive about the diversion. So Mr. Javadekar is on the record that Goa's interests will be protected. So in his letter, he has not given any weightage to the Karnataka by this clarification. It is very much clear. He said Karnataka can start the work provided after the gazette notification of tribunal necessary forest fire permission. So this permission they have to wait till the Supreme Court gives us the judgment. The leaders, so-called leaders, takes the movement forward, damaging the government. That government is not interested. Goa's interest is not protected. So I want to clarify, as a Minister for Water Resource, we have a clear legal strength to fight. If required, we will challenge these letters also. I need to take further clarification from the legal mind or the lawyers whether these letters will have relevance on the issues which are before the Supreme Court. So the purpose of today's conference is not to worry about this. It is only the clarification sought by Home Minister Bommai. As a person, first they have written to the Chief Engineer, to the department. Here is the clarification given to Mr. Bommai. I don't know what he has written, but his letter.